Dana here. Welcome to my blog. And this is a continuation of I Can't Pee. And I've just had my prostate removed, which is a prostatectomy. I'm now, I got out of 4 hours. 4 hours out of a 5 hour surgery. My stomach muscles are killing me. I had 5 incisions. Basically, when I came out of the anesthesia, of course, my kidney area was probably a 10 to a 12, 12 to a 10 on the Richter scale. And then of course they started giving me medication to bring it down. Right now I'm about a 5, and I can have clear liquids. And I'm sitting right now. I'm not gonna lay down for a while. And now I'm a minute into this. I want to thank Dr. Gene Joseph, that's correct even though I'm on it, and his team for doing what they did, and Nurse Ashley for taking care of me on my post-op here, and of course Tricia for putting up because she was very emotional, and you can't be in the hospital while it's being performed. You have to be off premises when this is going on. So she was able to come in and hang with me for 4 hours, and then she's coming in tomorrow and get me. I was out like a light. I know they were taking me to the room, but even before I even got to the room, I was out. So the next thing you know, I'm coming out of it with a stomach ache. Everything went like clockwork. I'm still waiting for results of how it went from Dr. Joseph himself. Basically it's just hanging around now. I got juices, and I got some the famous Jello. I got my stomach pillow in case I decide to start coughing. But other than that, it's really quiet, and I can nap out. I'm starting to burp here. That's about as far as it goes for the moment. My pain level. She gave me one pain pill, because I'm about a 5 right now, so it's not too bad, and I'm draining because of course the famous catheter is doing its job. So I will never forget September 8, 2020, and the year 2020 is going to be memorable for everybody in the world for some particular reason. And I can't forget to thank Charlene for being moral support for her mother. Okay, here's a shot of my supper. And I've got a double batch of everything because Ashley Because Ashley set me up before she went off her shift. So the pain that I'm experiencing right now is below the belly button, and when I'm drinking something that's got a little bit of salt in it, I'm gonna let you know on your throat, because they had a breathing tube down my throat, and I get this little hobby machine I get to play with once an hour. I need to inhale on this thing 10 times, and that's where I'm at. Is you need a minimum of 25. Try to do a minimum of 2,500, whatever that is. Mill inspired volume. Funsy. And when you're doing that, you're inhaling and expanding your belly. So it's definitely agitating that. My meal entails apple juice, chicken broth, some orange, Jello. There is tea if I want it, and I think that's apple juice or applesauce. And leaning forward, boy, that's messing with my lower section right now. And what you're looking at right now is a vitals machine. You watch that top monitor up there with the lines going up. Anytime I move, it'll register a movement. It's pretty cool. And if you move, I found if I lean, it'll shut all those down and start beeping. And it's probably and if it doesn't change, you're gonna have a team come in. Set you straight. And of course, this thing is my best friend, because it's given me all my intravenous medicine.